Hi, my name is Adel Al-Shammari and this is Abdelmajid Al-Sayari. Today we are going to discuss how to produce polyethylene, polypropylene and polyvinyl chloride from the crude oil. There are three stages: fractional distillation, cracking and polymerization. Fractional distillation, a tall column is fitted above the mixture with several condensers coming in a different heights, as we can see here. The column is hot at the bottom and cold at the top. Substances with high boiling points condense at the bottom of the column, and substances with lower boiling points condense at the top of the column. Gases will leave at the top of the column, and liquids will condense at the middle of the column, and the solid will remain at the bottom. Short chain hydrocarbons has low boiling points, and longer chain hydrocarbons has high boiling points. As you can see on the table, we have some example of hydrocarbons from 1 carbon to 10 carbons, and all these are alkane, which has single bond, also known as saturated hydrocarbons. The names are: for 1 carbon, methane; 2 carbons, ethane; 3 propane; 4 butane; pentane; hexane; heptane; octane; nonane; and also for 10 carbons is decane. The second stage is cracking. Although we have ethane and propane separated in the fractional distillation, it's not enough to meet the market demands, so we can produce ethylene and propylene by cracking the longer chain hydrocarbons with the help of either catalyst or heat, which will break the longer chain to shorter chains. And now Abdelmajid will continue.
I will show one example of cracking. I will show you one example of cracking with the long chain decane to produce the three components: ethylene, propylene, and pentane. So basically the idea of cracking, we have a long chain here of 10 carbons, long chain with 10 carbons. We will add either catalyst, or we will add heat to this hydrocarbon to get 3 components: ethylene, propylene and pentane. If you count the atoms of carbon and the atoms of hydrogen of this side, it will be the same of the decane. So in decane we have 10 carbons and 22 atoms of hydrogen. Let's count them now to see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These black atoms is the hydrogen, which is 10 atoms. Carbon, which is 10 atoms. Let's count the hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. This is the outcome of cracking decane to 3 components. Now we want to make a vinyl chloride. So the ethylene monomer, this is the ethylene monomer, it will react with chlorine. So chlorine will take out 1 atom of hydrogen and it will be replaced with chlorine. So this is the same structure of ethylene, except no 4 atoms of hydrogen, 3 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of chlorine. Now I'm going to talk about polymerization. So what's polymerization? Polymerization is a reaction combining of many monomers with the help of catalyst. Here I will show you the polymerization of polyethylene by adding the catalyst. At first, let us ساعدني شوية. So في شيء غلط. Okay. So here we have an okay. So here we have the monomers of ethylene. By adding this catalyst here, one free radical will form. So it will start by breaking this double bond here, to make it one long chain with one bond. So it is a repeating process. It will start just to break all the double bonds and make them single bond here as a saturated hydrocarbon. So it will be repeated again and again and again until the termination happened. After that, it will stop. The polymerization process will stop. So this is the basic idea of polymerization and how we can get plastics or polymers from fractional distillation. This is Abdul Majid Al-Sayari and my friend Adel Al-Shamari. Thank you so much.